Hey Chicago buyers, we need to talk. So there's a new rule in town, and it's got buyers all over the Chicago and the suburbs asking, wait, do I have to pay my agent now? So the answer is yes, no, maybe. So starting August of 17 last year, 2024, under the new NAR rules, you, the buyer, are now responsible for paying your own agent. But before you panic or start Googling how to buy a house without an agent, let's break it down for you. Here's the solution. Let me explain what it really means. This doesn't mean that sellers are banned from covering your agent's fee. It just means that it has to be negotiated outside the MLS, and that's where having a real estate expert on your side like me make all the difference in the world. Because a smart agent can still negotiate for the seller to help you cover the cost. But here's the catch. You need to sign a buyer's representation agreement before I can show you a home. And that's with everyone. That's now the federal law. It's not a Hugo's law. So looking at homes in the Chicago and the suburbs markets aren't exactly going on sale like a clearance tax. You have to go solo. You're going up against experienced listing agents who are protecting their seller, complex pricing strategies, inspections, landmines, appraisal drama, and potential contract traps. So this is not the time to wing it or do it on your own. Buyers who try to go and do it alone often overpay and miss the red flags, or worse, buy the wrong home. So here's exactly what I do for you. As your buyer's agent, here's what I do. And yes, it's a ton of work behind the scenes, something that buyers never see. Connect you with a trusted local lender, not an online random one, someone trusted. Map out a real strategy based on your goal and your budget. Preview properties and neighborhoods so that you don't waste your time. Research the market trends in Lakeview, Logan Square, neighborhood, wherever you're looking. Negotiate price, terms, credits, repairs, and yes, even my compensation too. Manage the inspections, the appraisal, the disclosures, the title work, and other deadlines. Shield you from legal messes and costly mistakes. So I work for you, not the listing agent. They work for their seller. So that's a big difference. And here's the kicker. I don't get paid until I help you close on the right home. So there's no upfront hourly fees or no retainers. It's just results. So is it worth it? Is it worth paying a buyer's agent like me? Yeah. If you care about saving time, avoiding risk, getting the best deal, not being blindsided by hidden costs, then yeah, it's worth every single penny. It's a service. It's a professional service. So you're not paying for just help with showings. You're paying for strategy, protection, and execution. You wouldn't do surgery on yourself if you don't want to go to a doctor, right? But it's the same thing with real estate. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm your local real estate expert here in Lakeview, Chicago, and all over the Chicagoland and suburbs. So if you're thinking about buying, let's get ahead of this rule change. I'll walk you through everything, help you negotiate all, and protect your bottom line. Give me a call at 773-550-4846. This is Hugo.